What if I told you that the world's biggest electric car company isn't Tesla anymore? That's right. For years, Tesla seemed unstoppable. It revolutionized the electric vehicle industry, turned Elon Musk into one of the most famous people on Earth, and made millions believe the future belonged to one company. But then, a Chinese automaker quietly started breaking records. A company that many Americans had never even heard of. Today, that company sells millions of electric vehicles every year, is expanding across the globe at an incredible speed, and has become Tesla's biggest rival. Its name is BYD. Now here's the question that has investors, car enthusiasts, and even governments paying attention. Can BYD actually take over America, or will Tesla continue to dominate its home turf? The answer isn't as simple as you might think, because by the end of this video, I'm going to reveal one surprising advantage that could decide the winner of this battle. And it's something most people completely overlook. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Before we begin, if you enjoy high-quality car videos, future technology, and the biggest automotive rivalries, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And while you're watching, tell us in the comments, if you had $50,000 today, would you buy a Tesla or a BYD? I'd love to know your answer. Now, let's begin. Chapter 1. The electric vehicle war. The automotive industry is going through the biggest transformation in over 100 years. Gasoline-powered cars that ruled the roads for generations are slowly giving way to electric vehicles. Governments are encouraging EV adoption. Charging stations are appearing everywhere. Batteries technology is improving every year, and millions of drivers are making the switch. But this isn't just about electric cars anymore. It's about who will control the future of transportation. For years, there was only one clear leader, Tesla. The company didn't just build electric cars. It changed what people expected from cars: huge touchscreens, over-the-air software updates, lightning-fast acceleration, self-driving technology, minimalist interiors. Tesla made electric cars exciting instead of boring. Suddenly, everyone wanted one. Tesla became the symbol of innovation. Meanwhile, halfway across the world, another company was preparing for its own revolution. A company that started in a completely different industry. That company was BYD. And unlike Tesla, BYD wasn't interested in making headlines. It was focused on something much more powerful: building an empire. Chapter 2. Who is BYD? Most Americans have heard of Tesla, but many still don't know much about BYD. Interestingly, BYD wasn't originally a car company. It started back in 1995 as a battery manufacturer. At the time, almost nobody imagined this small Chinese business would one day challenge Tesla. But batteries turned out to be one of the smartest industries to enter. As smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles became more popular, battery technology became incredibly valuable. Instead of depending on other suppliers, BYD mastered battery production itself. That decision would eventually become one of its greatest strengths. Years later, the company expanded into automobiles, not just electric cars. Hybrid vehicles, electric buses, commercial trucks, rail transportations, energy storage systems. Today, BYD is much more than an automaker. It's one of the world's largest clean energy companies. And unlike many competitors, BYD builds many of its own parts in batteries, electric motors, semiconductors, electronics. This gives the company something every automaker wants: controls. While other manufacturers struggle with supply chain issues, BYD often produces many of its own critical components. That saves money, improves efficiency, and allows faster production. This strategy helped BYD grow at an incredible pace, so much so that it eventually reached a milestone few people expected. It overtook Tesla in global electric vehicle sales. And suddenly, the entire automotive industry started paying attention. Chapter 3. Tesla's incredible advantage. Now, don't misunderstand. Tesla isn't losing without a fight. In fact, Tesla still has enormous advantages. First, there's the brand. When people think about electric vehicles, Tesla is usually the first name that comes to mind. That's incredibly valuable. Brand recognition alone influences millions of buyers. Then there's the technology. Tesla continues improving software through over-the-air updates. Instead of visiting a dealership, many Tesla owners wake up to find new features already installed overnight. It's a completely different ownership experience. Tesla also leads in charging infrastructure. The Supercharger network is one of the biggest reasons many Americans choose Tesla. Long-distance travel becomes much easier when fast chargers are available across the country. This is something many competitors still struggle to match. And of course, there's Elon Musk. Whether people love him or criticize him, one thing is certain: he keeps Tesla in the spotlight. Every product announcement, every interview, every tweet generates worldwide attention. Few CEOs have that kind of influence, but despite all these strengths, Tesla is facing something it hasn't experienced in years: real competition, not just from traditional automakers, but from a company growing faster than almost anyone expected. And that's exactly where BYD enters the story. Chapter 4. How BYD became an EV giant. So how did BYD go from being a battery manufacturer to becoming one of the biggest names in the automotive world? The answer comes down to one word: scale. While many automakers were still debating whether electric vehicles would become mainstream, BYD was already investing in factories, and production lines. Instead of relying on outside suppliers for critical components, BYD focused on making as much as possible in-house. This strategy is called vertical integration, and it's one of the biggest reasons behind the company's rapid growth. Think about it like this. Imagine opening a restaurant where you also own the farm, the bakery, and the delivery trucks. Because you're producing almost everything yourself, you spend less money, avoid supply shortages, and have more control over quality. That's essentially what BYD has done with electric vehicles. The company manufactures its own batteries, electric motors, power electronics, semiconductors, and many other key components. When the global supply chain was disrupted during the pandemic, many automakers struggled to find enough parts to build cars. BYD, however, was in a much stronger position because it wasn't relying as heavily on outside suppliers. That allowed the company to keep producing vehicles while others slowed down. And the numbers speak for themselves. Year after year, BYD has dramatically increased production, selling millions of electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles across Asia, Europe, Australia, and many other markets. Its rapid expansion has transformed it from a regional manufacturer into a truly global automotive powerhouse. But despite all that success, there's one market where BYD still faces its biggest challenge: the United States. Chapter 5. Price. BYD's biggest weapon. Let's talk about something every car buyer cares about: price. No matter how advanced a vehicle is, affordability plays a huge role in purchasing decisions. And this is where BYD has built one of its strongest advantages. Because the company controls much of its own supply chain and manufactures at enormous scale, it can often produce vehicles at a lower cost than many competitors. That means BYD has been able to introduce electric vehicles in several international markets at prices that attract budget-conscious buyers. For families looking to switch from gasoline to electric without spending luxury car money, that's a very appealing proposition. Tesla has also worked aggressively to reduce prices. Over the past few years, the company has repeatedly lowered prices on several of its most popular models to stay competitive and boost demand. This has created an intense pricing battle. Every time Tesla adjusts prices, competitors pay attention. Every time BYD launches a new model, the industry watches closely. It's no longer just a race to build the best electric vehicle. It's a race to build the best electric vehicle at the best price. And that's a much tougher challenge because in today's economy, consumers are asking one simple question: am I getting enough value for my money? The company that answers that question best could win millions of customers. Chapter 6. The battery. Battle if electric vehicles have a heart. It's the battery. The battery determines how far a car can travel, how quickly it charges, how long it lasts, and how safe it is. In other words, the battery can make or break an EV. Tesla has long been recognized for its impressive battery performance and efficiency. Working with major battery partners while also investing in new battery technologies, Tesla has consistently pushed for longer driving range, better energy efficiency, and lower production costs. Many Tesla owners regularly drive hundreds of miles on a single charge, making range anxiety much less of a concern. But BYD has developed a battery technology that has attracted significant attention across the industry. It's called the Blade battery. Unlike traditional battery designs, the Blade battery uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry, often referred to as LFP. This design prioritizes safety, durability, and long-term reliability. One of its biggest advantages is improved resistance to overheating compared to some other battery chemistries. That has made the Blade battery one of BYD's most talked about innovations. Another advantage is longevity. Many experts believe LFP batteries can maintain strong performance over many charging cycles, making them well-suited for drivers planning to keep their vehicles for many years. Tesla has also adopted LFP batteries in some versions of its vehicles, showing just how important this technology has become. So when it comes to batteries, this isn't a simple case of one company being better than the other. Instead, both companies are pushing the technology forward in different ways. And ultimately, consumers benefit the most. Chapter 7. Technology Showdown. When people hear the word Tesla, they often think of cutting-edge technology, large touchscreens, minimalist interiors, over-the-air software updates, autopilot, and advanced driver assistance features. Tesla has built its reputation around making cars feel more like smartphones on wheels. Instead of waiting years for new features, owners often receive software updates that improve their vehicles long after purchase. That level of continuous improvement has helped Tesla create one of the most loyal customer bases in the automotive industry. But BYD isn't standing still. The company has invested heavily in digital technology, intelligent driving systems, advanced infotainment, and connected vehicle features. Many of its latest models include premium interiors, large displays, voice controls, advanced safety systems, and features that rival much more expensive vehicles. In fact, some automotive reviewers have been surprised by just how refined and feature-packed many BYD vehicles have become. This is no longer a story of an underdog trying to catch up. It's a story of two companies constantly learning from each other and pushing innovation forward. Tesla continues to lead in software integration and its overall ecosystem. BYD continues improving hardware, manufacturing efficiency, and value. Both are evolving rapidly, and the competition between them is accelerating innovation faster than ever before. Chapter 8: Can BYD really enter America? Now we arrive at one of the biggest questions in this entire rivalry. If BYD has become so successful around the world, why don't we see BYD passenger cars everywhere in the United States? The answer isn't just about demand, it's also about regulations, trade policies, and market conditions. Entering the U.S. automotive market isn't easy. Automakers must meet strict safety standards, emissions requirements, and numerous regulatory rules. On top of that, imported vehicles can face significant tariffs and other trade barriers that make competing on price much more difficult. For BYD, these challenges are substantial. While the company already has experience in North America through products like electric buses, expanding its passenger car business into the U.S. is a much more complex challenge. Tesla, meanwhile, enjoys a major home field advantage. Its manufacturing facilities, Supercharger network, brand recognition, and loyal customer base give it a strong position in the American market. That doesn't mean BYD can't succeed in the future, but it does mean that winning over American consumers will require much more than simply building great electric vehicles. It will require navigating one of the world's most competitive automotive markets. And that's a challenge unlike any other. Chapter 9: Manufacturing. The secret behind the success. When people compare Tesla and BYD, they usually focus on the cars. But behind every great car is an even greater factory. And this is where the competition becomes fascinating. Tesla completely changed how modern cars are built. Its gigafactories are among the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world. Instead of relying on hundreds of smaller parts, Tesla introduced massive casting machines that create large sections of a vehicle from a single piece of aluminum. This innovation reduces production time, lowers costs, decreases vehicle weight, and simplifies assembly. It's one of the reasons Tesla can manufacture vehicles so efficiently. But BYD has taken a different approach. Rather than focusing only on factory automation, BYD focuses on controlling almost every step of production. The company manufactures batteries, motors, electronic chips, power control systems, and many other essential components itself. That means when another automaker has to wait weeks or even months for a supplier, BYD often already has those parts ready. This gives the company incredible flexibility. If battery demand suddenly increases, BYD doesn't need to negotiate with another supplier. It simply increases production inside its own network. It's a strategy that has helped BYD expand at an incredible pace. So while Tesla has revolutionized how cars are assembled, BYD has revolutionized how the entire supply chain works. Both approaches are brilliant, but they solve different problems. And that's why this rivalry has become so exciting. Chapter 10: Elon Musk versus Wang Chuanfu. Every great company has a leader. And in this battle, the two CEOs couldn't be more different. Most people already know Elon Musk. He's one of the most recognizable entrepreneurs in the world. His ambitious goals, bold predictions, and constant presence on social media have made him one of the most influential figures in technology. Whether he's talking about Mars, artificial intelligence, robots, or self-driving cars, people listen. Tesla benefits enormously from that attention. Every major announcement instantly becomes global news. Now compare that to BYD's founder, Wang Chuanfu. Outside the automotive industry, many people have never heard his name. Yet he has quietly built one of the largest electric vehicle companies on Earth. Instead of chasing headlines, he focuses on manufacturing, engineering, and long-term growth. His leadership style is almost the complete opposite of Elon Musk's. One thrives in the spotlight, the other prefers to stay behind the scenes. But despite their differences, both leaders share one important quality. They believe electric vehicles are the future. And both have built companies capable of changing the entire automotive industry. Chapter 11: The hidden advantage that could decide everything. Remember, at the beginning of this video, I told you there was one advantage that most people completely ignore. Here it is. It's not battery range, it's not horsepower, it's not even price. The real advantage is the ecosystem. Think about your smartphone. Most people don't buy a phone just because of the hardware. They buy the entire experience, the apps, the software, the updates, the services. Everything works together. Tesla understands this extremely well. Its vehicles are connected to an entire digital ecosystem. Owners can control their cars using a smartphone. Default software updates automatically, locate charging stations instantly, monitor charging remotely DAT service, and access new features long after buying the vehicle. The car keeps improving over time. That's a completely different ownership experience from traditional automobiles. But BYD is building an ecosystem of its own. The company isn't just producing passenger cars. It's building electric buses, commercial trucks, battery storage systems, solar energy solutions, and clean energy infrastructure. Its long-term vision goes far beyond selling vehicles. It's creating an entire clean energy network. In other words, Tesla is building an intelligent mobility ecosystem. BYD is building an energy ecosystem. Whichever ecosystem becomes more valuable to consumers could ultimately determine who wins this battle. And that's something many people overlook. Chapter 12. So, who will dominate America? Now comes the biggest question. Can BYD dominate America? The honest answer, not anytime soon, at least not easily. Tesla currently holds several major advantages in the United States: a well-established manufacturing presence, an extensive supercharger network, strong brand recognition, a loyal customer base, years of real-world driving data, and experience operating within the American market. Those advantages are difficult for any competitor to overcome. BYD, however, should never be underestimated. The company has proven it can grow incredibly quickly. It has become one of the world's largest EV manufacturers through relentless efficiency, innovation, and competitive pricing. If trade policies change, if regulations evolve, or if BYD finds new ways to enter the U.S. market, the competition could become even more intense. One thing is certain: American consumers will benefit. Competition forces companies to innovate faster, build better vehicles, improve technology, reduce prices, and deliver more value. Whether you support Tesla or BYD, this rivalry is pushing the entire automotive industry forward. And that's good news for everyone. Final thoughts: just a few years ago, almost everyone believed Tesla had no serious rival. Today, that story has changed. Tesla remains the face of electric vehicles in America. BYD has become a global powerhouse with extraordinary manufacturing strength. One company dominates software, brand recognition, and charging infrastructure. The other excels in production scale, battery expertise, and cost efficiency. The race is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. The next decade could completely reshape the automotive industry. The company that continues innovating, adapting, and earning customer trust will likely emerge as the true winner. But one thing is certain: the future of driving will be electric. And we're all watching history unfold in real time. Call to action now. It's your turn. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the biggest rivalries in the automotive world, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And I really want to hear your opinion. If both cars were available at the same price in America, which one would you choose, Tesla or BYD? Tell us why in the comments below. I read as many comments as possible, and your opinion might even be featured in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.